Okay, our final tab here, you've got your settings tab. So it's pretty simple. You put in your dealership information, address, phone number, all this stuff, because it goes to the forms, anything else we're using it for. And you can upload your logo down here, hit save, all saved. In your AI settings, you can set your dealership to be whatever type of dealership you are. In this case, our buy here, pay here, so we'll leave there. And what that does is tells the AI what type of dealership you are. So it knows how to create descriptions to sell to your clientele. It also knows how to create the reports based on your type of business. So then down here you can set your default payment. They're bi-weekly. You choose that. If you want to include pricing, so when you add a vehicle, you have the price to sell it for. If you want to include the pricing in the descriptions, you just tab this on, and it'll put it in there. This current model, it's buy here, pay here, so they don't put the price, and so we have it set to off. Integrations. You will never need to come here, but if you mess up anything, this is one thing I would rather you not mess up. This is the integration. So this is through our CRM. This is your API key that connects them, your location ID, which connects it, and then other feeds that we're going to add in here. Your webhook, again, connects the two, and that's what sets the automations off and everything. But we'll be adding some other things in here, other feeds that will be connecting to the DMS system. We found some free type marketplaces that we can export the inventory data to, that'll then link back to your website, which will be very helpful. And of course your password. Your user password is on the team side. I probably need to get rid of this. This was we don't need this. We don't need to change the password here. Do not use this tab. I will make that go away. And then what we've got coming up here very soon, if we can move that out of the way. All right, so the next phases of this, we're going to integrate with title tracking, OPAC check, repo tracking. I guess I need to move this down so you can see it's not on the screen. Title tracking, OPEC check, repo tracking, sales tax reports. That's done. That has nothing to do with you. Obviously, we've got the Google feed already. It's ready to go. Car pay integration and any third-party system that you're using to take payments for, say, credit cards or auto draft or something. We can integrate with the system so that your payments will, for your customers within this system, will be showing current and the proper numbers. If you'd rather just pop them in yourself, you can, and then trade-in management as well. So that's some more things that are coming, and again with our deals, if you want to add a payment, you mark paid. So if you don't want to use a third-party integration, if they're using a credit card or auto draft or something like that, you just type in the number of what they use. So if they came in paid cash, it'd be a 1. You hit OK. There it is. It's paid. If for some reason you don't want it to be showing paid because they didn't pay it, you just hit undo. Simple as that. So we got a lot more coming, and anything else you think will help you do better in your business, please let us know. We're always going to have open ears, and love adding different things to our system. So I hope you enjoy these tutorials, and if you have any questions, please let us know. I'll talk to you soon.